Hey little readers, today's book is called Little Excavator, and it's from the creator of the Llama Llama books, and I know you all probably know who that is. It is by Anna Dewdney. Here comes the big rigs rolling down the street. Thump a thump a bump a bump a beep beep beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Gram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Vroom goes the dump truck, with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator, someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job, and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it. And it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go! I hope you all like this book. I know my son certainly enjoys it. So if you did like this book, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you all so much, little readers.